Bad little dickens. Look, he's following you once more.
Wonder why that is.
Oh, that's why he's all. Nobody likes him.
Won't you give it a big uppity for, matey? And remember, there's recipes that deal with fellas like you. Yeah. Chuck, chuck.
The ones with the tails. Potless arrogance. What happened?
Man, that's a real wobble.
Not a care in the world. I won't do it then. That's my bag.
Told you.
And he waddles away, waddle waddle. To the very next day, bum 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 ba-da-dum. A duck walked up to the girl holding the bag. He said to the girl, "What's in your hand?" You already had some. Get your friends. Come on.
He would be the first one in the pot.
Ah, chicken fight! Oh, he's got him in the neck, Dad! Hello.
They're swinging. Why are you quacking? Look.